Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Airplane speeds have stagnated for 40 years. What happened to this high level of innovation in air travel? Civil supersonic aviation was banned over the United States in 1973 because of fears that sonic booms would damage buildings and constitute an intolerable nuisance.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Bullets break the sound barrier with boring regularity. The speed of sound is roughly 1,125 feet per second at standard temperature and pressure sea level. Even bullets from guns chambered in .22 LR, a relatively low-powered cartridge, break the sound barrier with common ammunition loadings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.